Ethical choices. Making decisions with integrity. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into a critical aspect of decision-making models in the business world, incorporating ethics. Whether you're in a boardroom or just starting your business journey, understanding how to make ethical decisions is essential. At its core, ethics refers to the moral principles that guide our behaviors and actions. In decision-making, especially in business, ethics ensures that choices are not just beneficial, but also morally right and just. It's the fine line between what you have the power to do and what you should do. 1. Trust and reputation. Making ethical decisions helps build trust with clients, partners, and stakeholders. In the long run, it enhances a company's reputation. 2. Legal consequences. Ethical decisions often align with legal standards, helping businesses avoid legal consequences. 3. Employee morale. Working for a company that values ethics boosts employee morale, retention, and productivity. Incorporating ethics isn't just about avoiding wrong actions. It's about actively seeking what's right. Here's how. 1. Clarify values. Before making a decision, list down the core values that your company stands for. This can serve as a moral compass. 2. Evaluate options. For each decision, evaluate the potential impacts on stakeholders. Who benefits? Who gets harmed? 3. Seek feedback. Involve a diverse group in the decision-making process. Different perspectives can shed light on potential ethical pitfalls. 4. Reflect and review. After a decision is made, reflect on its outcomes. Did it uphold your company's ethical standards? If not, what can be learned? Ethical decision-making isn't always straightforward. Challenges include: 1. Conflict of interest. Personal gains might tempt someone to make a decision that isn't in the best interest of all stakeholders. 2. Ambiguity. Not all situations have a clear right or wrong. It requires judgment. 3. Pressure. Especially in businesses, there might be pressure to prioritize profits over ethics. Making decisions with ethics in mind is a journey, not just a destination. It's about continuous learning, reflection, and commitment to doing what's right. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of ethics in decision-making and has given you tools to incorporate it into your own decisions. Until next time, keep making choices with integrity.